Former President Jacob Zuma will appeal the ruling to dismiss his application for prosecutor Piet Koen to recuse himself from his arms deal fraud and corruption trial. Now, the Pietermaritzburg High Court Judge, that's Piet Koen, yesterday found that Zuma failed to provide evidence of how he would be prejudiced if Koen actually led that prosecution. Newzroom Afrika's senior politics reporter, Ziyanda Ngcobo, was in court and filed this report.
1. The special plea is dismissed. 2. The matter is directed to proceed to trial in respect of the not guilty pleas.
Judge Piet Koen opening the door for the long-awaited arms deal trial to get underway.
The ultimate question to be answered is therefore not whether the prosecutor is not independent or not impartial or biased or not sufficiently independent or impartial, but whether the accused ultimately will receive a fair trial.
His ruling was accompanied by a 109-page written judgment, possibly anticipating that this matter will be taken on appeal. Zuma's lawyers have also given a hint that another legal challenge is on the horizon.
If there should be any interlocutory applications between now and the 11th, can Mr. Zuma be excused until the appearance of the 11th?
Well, it will depend on the nature of the interlocutory application.
On the other hand, the Jacob Zuma Foundation spokesperson Mzwanele Manyi says today's judgment must be challenged.
Today what we've seen rule of law being trampled upon by a court itself. This cannot be. So the foundation is very clear on this matter. We are going to advise President Zuma to appeal this irrationality that has just transpired here today. It cannot be accepted.
Meanwhile, the NPA feels vindicated by the ruling. It says the criminal charges against Piet Koen are inconsequential to him leading the case because there's no investigation against him currently.
The issue of political interference, the issue of bias was pronounced upon by the SCA, by the full court here. Hence, the judge says, I am reaffirming or aligning myself with those pronouncements. Now, they are alluding to the fact that they will take this on appeal. Whatever legal avenue they explore, as the prosecution, we are ready. We have vigorously opposed this application based on solid arguments which found their way into the judgment.
The arms deal trial has proven to be a long, winding road of postponements and legal challenges. If the matter does go ahead on the 11th of April, it would be a departure from how things have gone so far. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ziyanda Ngcobo in Pietermaritzburg.